The other day, one of my clients asked me, what's the secret to success? And I had to really think about it for a second because it's a really profound question and I wanted to make sure I was giving the right answer. And after I thought about it, I realized that the secret to success is alignment. Yes, it's alignment. And the way I described it is like this, right? When you have alignment, you will see the most success in life, in business, in whatever you do. And what do I mean by alignment? I mean that all different areas of what you're doing in business is aligned. The first part of that alignment is our clients, ensuring that we're aligned with their success. Now, myself and my team are incredibly focused on our client success, helping them achieve the absolute best results possible. And we're really empowered every time our clients, post wins, they share stories, they really just transform their lives and businesses. We get, emails and messages and videos every single day of clients that are just completely transforming their lives using YouTube ads or by building YouTube channels. So the first part of alignment is our client success. We also have to balance that with our team. So for myself, as the business owner and as the CEO, I have an incredible love for my team and I call them the dream team. I've made other videos on the YouTube channel that you can check out where we talk about what it's like to grow a dream team, how to support your team, empower your team. But it's really important, especially if you're a leader, that you have that team focus, right? You're balancing clients and team, and you're really focused on ensuring that your team is succeeding at the highest level, that they're empowered, that they know that they're appreciated. And then you have a third component. The third component is yourself. Self-love, self-care, focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. You can't just be completely selfless because if you don't look after yourself first, then you're not going to be able to give to your clients, to your team in order to grow. And so I look at it on that side as well, as focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, investing in yourself, reading books, focusing on your inputs and seeing what's going to allow you to grow as a person and as a business owner. So when you take all three of these things, a focus on client success, a focus on your team, and a focus on becoming the best version of yourself, all three areas are in alignment and you'll see the most success. But it's not just as simple as you doing that yourself. If you want to have success in business, you need to impart this on your team. What I've found with a team, and also you can fall into this yourself, is most people fall into the trap of overweighting one of these areas. Now, in common society, a lot of us see people overweighting themselves, right? The ego as the biggest barrier. And honestly, it definitely is one of the most visual ways that you can tell if somebody's only, cares about themselves is incredibly selfish. But on the other side, you also need to make sure that you are focusing on growing as a person and combining that with your love of your team and your love of your clients. Focus solely too much only on your clients, then your business could fail and you might not be becoming the person you need to be to support your clients. Focus too much on your team and you don't focus enough on your clients or yourself, then you might build an incredible team, but what's that team able to do? What's the actual impact? Same thing with yourself. You focus too much on yourself, then you're gonna be sacrificing your clients and your team. You need to be fully in alignment with yourself, your clients, and your team, and that's gonna allow you to have the most success. And then what you need to do is impart that knowledge on all of your team members. So on each of our team meetings we have, especially in our Monday meetings, I love to remind our team about that alignment, right? Whether it's the sales team and I'm going in and I'm saying, listen, when you're going and we call them advisors too, right? Because that's really what it is, advising our potential clients over the bridge of where they are now to where they want to go, whether it be with YouTube ads or building a profitable YouTube channel. We are that bridge to help them go from where they are now to where they want to be. And so that's an incredibly powerful responsibility. And so what I always tell my team is we need to focus on what we're doing to help our clients, right? That's incredibly important, what we're doing to help our clients. Also, as a sales team, what we're doing to support the team. The sales team on that front is the team that's bringing in the revenue that feeds the rest of the ship. That allows us to hire more people in our client success department. That allows us to bring more people on, to grow, to market more, to reach more people, to serve more clients, right? So we're helping our clients succeed, we're helping our team succeed, but then also we're helping ourselves succeed. right? Individually, we are hitting our goals. We all have things that we want to do, things we want to accomplish. And so when I talk to my team, whether it be the sales team, the marketing team, client success team, operations, whatever it happens to be, I remind them of that alignment and how that brings about the highest level of success for our clients, for our team, and for ourselves. So remember, that's what you want to be in alignment. It's the exact same thing with our client success team, focusing on clients, our team, and ourselves, becoming the best version of ourselves we can be. Same thing with operations, same thing with marketing. And of course, marketing is something I dive into all the time. You need to remember, you don't want to just focus on the numbers. And that might be the team data. And that's what I see the biggest problem with marketing teams being, is only focusing on the numbers and forgetting that these are people that you're able to help, people that you're reaching, people that you're marketing to, right? That's the clients, being in alignment with that. But then I also see sometimes on the marketing team members forgetting to take care of themselves or focus on what their needs are. And so aligning everything together, whatever team it happens to be, is incredibly important. Now, different teams might be more predisposed to focus on different things, but you need to remind all of the teams, all of the people, and yourself that alignment causes the highest level of success in all areas. Focusing on your clients, focusing on your team, and focusing on yourself and becoming the best version of yourself you can be. That is the secret to success. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe. We have lots of incredible content coming very soon right here on the Ad Outreach YouTube channel. I'm so excited for all of the great content we have planned coming very soon. We want to really make this channel the absolute best it could be. So be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, like the video if you found it valuable, and be sure to let us know in the comments down below what you found to be the secret to success. It might be a little bit different for you, for each individual person, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below as well. And I'll see you guys on the next video.